The Ecotric Rocket Fat Tire bike is perfect traveling off-road or on the beach or snow. It is also great for the daily commute. This bike is made to deal with rough terrain, so it packs good specs and fat tires for genuine off-road capability. The Ecotric Rocket features a 36-volt, 500-watt motor, giving it plenty of power for climbing up and traversing rough terrain. It has a top speed of 25 miles per hour on the throttle, and can go faster when you pedal, so it has speed and power on the pavement and trail. The electric road bike comes with a reliable 13Ah lithium-ion battery pack that is bigger than most electric bikes out there. The battery pack has a rated life of 1000 cycles, so you will use it for years. This fat tire bike features a twist throttle and an on-demand pedal assist. The bike has one pedal assist level for more effortless pedaling. If you want to ride without a sweat, choose the throttle to zip through traffic. It has a uniquely designed twist throttle with an adjustable guard that allows you to change the twist limit. The bike also has the sport-rated 7-speed Shimano Acera 7-speed transmission with a thumb shifter to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. It is a beautiful electric bike featuring a streamlined modern MTB-inspired frame design and comes with stylish 26-inch spoked rims with 4-inch fat tires. The bike comes with a high-quality 6061 aluminum frame that is lightweight and rust-proof. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.